Hey there, I'm Jenn HERMAN with Jenn's Trends. And if you are looking to customize your Instagram story link sticker, this is the video for you. Or if you didn't know you could customize the link sticker and are wondering why you should, this is also the video for you. Now, when it comes to the Instagram story link sticker, this has replaced the swipe up feature that we used to have on Instagram stories that would allow professional accounts with over 10,000 followers to add a link to their story so you could navigate to any destination. Well, Instagram has come out and changed that recently. So now it's no longer the swipe up, it's now a link sticker, meaning you will add it just like you would any other sticker to your Instagram stories. And for good news, there's no limits anymore to the number of followers you have to have in order to have access to the sticker. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Instagram stories. You're going to go to the sticker tray. When you go to the sticker tray, which is the little smiley face looking one, you see all the various stickers and you're going to choose link as the option. When you do that, you're going to be able to put any link destination you want in there. Now, this feature is reserved for professional accounts. And I say all professional accounts because when Instagram rolls things out to everybody, not everybody gets them. So not all professional accounts may have access to this. Doesn't mean you won't get it at some point. You just have to be patient and know you can't do anything to speed up the process. You just have to be patient. So whether you're a creator profile or a business profile, you should have access to this regardless of how many followers you have. You can send this to any link destination you want, your blog, your YouTube channel, anything you have in your products or services, your e-commerce store, any articles, anything you want, you can use this link sticker for. And the best part about it is that Instagram recently came out and said you can now customize the text on the link sticker. The reason this matters is because, as you can see in this image on the screen, I have it say watch video. Now that is a link to my YouTube video, but in the past, that would just say YouTube. So you wouldn't really know to click on it. And this was causing a lot of problems because the average user didn't know that there had been a shift. The average user did not know that the swipe up had gone away and that it was a link sticker. And when it just says YouTube, or if I was putting my blog, it said just jenstrends.com, it wasn't clear indication. There was no call to action that said, oh, I should click on that. It just looked like a statement that said YouTube. So you'd be like, okay, well, it's on YouTube, but you didn't know you could get to it by clicking on it. And that's why the customized link text is so valuable and strategic, because it's going to allow you to put whatever call to action you want in there, regardless of the link destination. So for example, you're going to go in, create your story, you add that link sticker. When you do that, it's going to open up this screen here that's going to allow you to type in your URL. So it can be a long URL. It can even be one that has UTM parameters in it, whatever you want. You're going to paste that in there. Now, directly below that, you see the plus sign and customize sticker text. So now it's always going to be capital letters, so you can type it however you want, but it's always going to be in capital letters. You can put whatever call to action you want in there. So in the last example, I had watch video. In this case, this is for a membership profile or my membership program. So I'm going to say register now. By doing that, instead of seeing profit your profile as the link sticker, they see register now, much like in the previous example where I had the watch video. Now, the great thing about this is it has a built-in call to action, but you can do, in this case, I'm pointing to it. You can add GIFs, pointing arrows, little sparkles, anything you want to draw attention to that call to action, which will help you in driving more of those link clicks. Again, when the swipe up went away, the link sticker came out, we all saw that drop in link sticker click-throughs. This customized text plus some animated GIFs or something to help draw attention to that link will help you increase that link traffic. And of course, that matters because we want to get people onto your programs, onto your services, onto your blogs, watching your videos, whatever it is. You can drive that traffic more successfully when we've got those good calls to action in there. I hope this made sense for you and helped clear up some of that confusion around the link sticker and how to customize it. These are things that we talk about all the time in my membership program, Profit Your Profile, as I kind of mentioned too in that screenshot. So you're always welcome to check that out. But please subscribe to this channel as well, because I'm always sharing tips and tutorials just like this on this channel every month. And I will see you in the next video.